Good afternoon, Chip here with Hybrid and Electric Car Sales, coming to you from my shop. Once again, got a 2000, this is a 14 Ford C-MAX in the shop for a transmission rebuild. I've already disconnected the battery. I'll spare you the sound that's coming out of it. It is the typical squealing. But we're going to be dropping this out. I'm going to use this as an opportunity to talk about that. We also do the C-MAX. We've always focused mainly on the Fusion because that's what I've always sold a lot of. But we don't talk about the C-MAX a lot. So it is a little bit more difficult of a job than the Fusion already is, because you have this cowl up here that's got to come off. The subframe's a little bit different on the bottom too. But we do rebuild the C-MAX transmissions. They're the exact same as the Fusion, so you can contact us about that. We'll show you what this one looks like inside. We're probably going to have a failed stator bearing on this one. Probably going to be a lot of play in there, but we'll see if it ground into anything. But it did drive in. Check engine light was on for an evap leak, so we'll see what that's about. We'll see if we can diagnose that also. But no lights for the battery or the transmission or anything like this, so customer called it just in time. So, all right, stay tuned. All right, transmission is out. It's like about 6 hours, 7 hours to get it out of here. C-MAX is such a big job. So let me show you what's going on this one. This one had that milling sound. We know it's got a failed stator bearing, but this bearing also failed right here. I don't know if you can hear that, but that one's bad. This one's completely toast on the differential. And you got some pitting. There you go. And that bearing and the cups are destroyed on the case too. So this one's going. Everything looks okay. Someone's changed the fluid in here before we got to it, but it was already too late. So just standard damage. You can see the cup here. Right there. And then you have the differential bearing there eating into the cup also. So yeah, something that we see all the time, but again, C-MAX, same transmission as the Fusion Hybrid. So we'll go through the rebuild. We'll show you once we're done. All right, inaugural test drive of the C-MAX. This one was 120,000 miles. This is the blue car I'm driving right now. I'm gonna put 35, 40 miles on it on this Friday. That howling you hear, they have two really bad tires on the back of this car, literally with a broken belt in the one. So I'm trying to keep the speed down. But yeah, this one's running and driving real nice and quiet. So this one will be going back to the customer here, but just documenting everything, running great. This one's been averaging 39 miles per gallon. So this is a great car. We really like these here at Hybrid and Electric Car Sales. This customer will get their car back, and we'll be back on the road. So check us out. This service right now is $44.95 if you were wondering, for the C-MAX rebuild. There's a lot more labor involved for rebuilding the C-MAX transmission. But stay tuned. We're going to have some remanufactured options that are using Ford factory transmissions. So we'll have that posted soon. But check us out online at hybridandelectriccarsales.com. Come see us in person at 616 Bradley Court in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. Or give me a call at 615-802-5550. I'd love to talk shop with you. Have a great day.